Alright, so I haven't been able to put up a video in a while. I've been in sessions for the last 2 weeks, like Slam, so I made an effort and I got up early this morning just so I could do a video for you guys, which explains my bed hair and my pajamas. I'm not a doctor, I just sleep like one. So this tutorial is Ultrabeat. I'm gonna do probably like a 4-part series on Ultrabeat, and this will be the first one. So hope you guys like it. Okay, so today I'm gonna be talking about Ultrabeat. This will be the first in a few tutorials because there's a lot of information to get across. Ultrabeat's basically divided into 3 sections. This section off to the left here with all the names is called the assignment section. This section in here in the middle is called the synthesizer section, and down at the bottom that is the sequencer section. So the first section I want to talk about is the assignment section. The assignment section basically gives you the name of all your voices, and as well as it's a mixer for the instrument. So if you've ever worked with GarageBand, this will all look very, very familiar because it's pretty much the same mixer that they have in GarageBand. So if you click on any one of the turquoise bars underneath the names, you can adjust the volume of that particular voice. So let's say we want this kick to be a little quieter in our sequence. We can turn it down. If we want it to be louder, we can turn it up. They also give you mute and solo buttons, so if we wanted to quickly take this kick out of our sequence, we can hit the mute button, or if we want to hear only what that kick is doing in the sequence, we can hit the solo button. They also give you a pan pot, so you can put the voice in either the left or right side. Oh, that's very cool. There's also a master volume for the overall instrument all the way at the top of those voices. Next thing I want to talk about is rearranging the order of these voices. I like my kicks to go together. So there's one kick on the bottom, but in the default instrument they load a kick all the way up here on E. So I'm just going, if you just click and hold, you can drag that voice wherever you want to fall on this keyboard here off to the left. So now I have a kick on C and a kick on C sharp. You can also copy and paste voices and sequences. So saved with each one of these voices is a synthesizer setting over here. So if you hold down Control and click on any one of the voices, it'll give you a little pop-up menu, and you can hit I'm going to hit copy voice and sequence. So I now have this snare 2 voice and the sequence, which is nothing right now. But I have it copied in my clipboard. Let's say I wanted to paste it over the maracas right here. Can hit paste voice. I can just paste the sequence that I have copied, or I can swap with clipboard. What swap with clipboard means is it's going to take this maraca sound and put it into the clipboard, and the snare sound that's in the clipboard right now, it's going to paste where the maracas is. So let's do that. Snare 2 is there now, and if I want to, I can put the maraca sound down where snare 2 was. Cool. They also have, if you hold down Control and click on any one of the instruments, they also have what is called initial settings. It's basically just somewhere for you to start when you're building your own sound. So they give you like a simple kick sound to start off with. that comes in handy too when you're programming your own sounds. All right, the next part I want to talk about is this import section, or this import button right here at the top. This is a great function. So if you have a cool instrument going here, but you want a sound from another Ultrabeat instrument, like the 808 or the 909, you can click import. It'll pull up this the Ultrabeat drum kits. Let's say I wanted something from the classic dub kit 01. Hit open. All right, and it gives you this drop down menu. By clicking on any of the names in the menu, you can audition what sound is in there. So I was looking for a kick sound. Yeah, there we go. Okay. So there's several ways. Right now, these sounds in this drop-down menu are not in your instrument. If you play your instrument, they're not in there at all. All of the sounds are the same. This drop-down menu is just giving you a list of all the instruments that are in that other Ultrabeat instrument that we selected, so that we can audition them and then put the ones that we want into this instrument. So I like the instrument that I have going here, but I want a kick that sounds like this dub kick too. You can just drag that. I'm going to drag it over the wood block sound. Now this note right here is the dub kit number 2 voice. You can do that with any of these. Another great thing about this import button is you can not only import from Ultrabeat, but you can import from the ESX instruments as well. So I'm going to click import again. And I'm going to navigate to my ESX instruments. Let's see, drum and percussion, acoustic drum kit. All right, I'm going to select the Studio Tight kit and hit open. So now I can click and audition each one of the samples. And then something to note here, you see these arrows on either side of the name. This arrow points up. So that means that there are more voices than this drop-down menu can display right now. So if you hit the up arrow, it's going to go through and load the next set of instruments. Because the ESX24 can load up a full keyboard of sounds, and Ultrabeat can only load 25 sounds. So it can only display 25 at a time. To rename something, all you need to do is just double click on the name, and it'll pull it up and let you rename it. One last thing that I wanted to talk about: Ultrabeat only loads 25 voices, but this top voice, so this last voice stretches all the way up the keyboard. So that comes in handy too. You can play, you can have Ultrabeat do both your drum and bass at the same time.